Hello and welcome back. In this lesson, we're going to add paths to our actions in our user interface. So the best place to start is by checking out our app and making a list of the links we need to update. Okay, so let's go ahead and do that. The first place I'll start is the home page. Okay, so this is what our home page currently looks like. So we have this sign up now link or button over here. So I want this to go to the register page, right? Then we have our browse recipe listings over here. So, and then we see that these two are copies of this. We want to change this one. We want to make this a login path. And this one we'll talk about later. We'll probably leave that open for you to customize however you like. We see over here, new recipes. This should go to the new recipe path. I think we already implemented that, but we'll see some more additions that we need to make. So over here, we probably want each of these gravatars to go to the user show page or the chef's show page. This link is currently working. Okay, that link we already implemented goes to the user show page already. That, if you look at the bottom, the link, when I hover over it, it already goes to the new page, so that's good. Edit this recipe goes to the edit page, so that's good also. This is the recipes listing. Okay, so let's go ahead and do this for chefs. Just like we did for recipes, let's do it for chefs. So I'll start with the home page. If you remember, this is in the partial. This is the pages controller home action, right? So there's pages and then home. Okay, so here's the link to sign up now. And if we look at the chef's register path, we see it's just register path, right? So we want this to go to register path. Okay, and then what else do we have here? View as a guest user, that's working as we expect, already going to the recipes path. View as a guest user again, so we want to change this. We want to call this sign in to your account, and then browse and view recipes as a guest user, sign up later. So I'll change this to some text. So add, update your recipes. Create reviews, like, dislike recipes, and much more. So I'll leave it something generic like that for now. And I want this to link, I want the link to say log into your account. Log in to your account. And then I want to link this to a login path, right? Which we don't have yet, so I'll just leave that as is. Okay, so let's go back here, reload this page. Okay, we see the change. Still doesn't go anywhere, but at least it looks better. Now sign up. Okay, it's going to the register your account page. Perfect. All right, now let's start working on the show recipes page. So we want this to link to the chef. Let's go grab that. So that will be under recipes directory under views, and then index. So right here, link to Gravatar for, and then open bracket, recipe.chef size, and then we want to link to the chef path. Remember, we're getting that here, chef, and then we have to pass in the chef object. So we're gonna pass in recipe.chef. Okay, let's see how that looks. I'll reload the page. Okay, now we see it's a link and it's pointing to the chef, right? If you look at the URL at the bottom, it says chefs 2, chefs 1. So if I click on it, here's for Chef Bob and no Gravatar and the recipes that the chef has created. Okay, so the only thing missing now is the edit chef page, right? A link to the edit chef page. So we're actually going to build that when we build in the login and logout functionality. So when the user is logged in, we want it to show some kind of options to show the chef, edit the chef, or log out. Okay, so we'll build that after we build authentication. So for now, if we have to edit a chef, we can just go to, we can still use the URL. Okay, all right, so now we're able to navigate through our app fairly well, and in the next lesson, we'll add some more modifications to this after, like we had discussed, after we had in the login and logout feature. So I'll see you there.